अच्छा जी, welcome back. हम करेंगे dynamics question 46 to question 50. Let's start. Question 46. An engine pulls a truck at constant speed on a level track. The link between the engine and the truck breaks. The driving force on the engine remains constant. What effect does this have on the engine and on this truck? अच्छा, for example, this is a truck, right? This is a truck. This is the engine, and this is the link. Link टूट गया, ठीक है ना? ये जो ट्रक है, it doesn't have a driving force, so it will slow down and eventually stop, right? क्योंकि ट्रक का कोई ड्राइविंग फोर्स है ही नहीं. This will eventually stop. पहले स्लो डाउन होगी and eventually stop. It won't stop immediately. और उसके बाद इसका देख लेते हैं, इंजन का देख लेते हैं. जब इंजन को लेस मास कैरी करना पड़ेगा ना, लेस वेट कैरी करना पड़ेगा, सो इंजन विल स्पीड अप बिकॉज इसका सेम ड्राइविंग फोर्स है लेकिन उसको लेस वेट कैरी करना पड़ रहा है, उसको लेस ऑब्जेक्ट कैरी करनी पड़ रही है, राइट? उसको लेस वेट कैरी करना पड़ा, सॉरी यार, यूज द रॉन्ग वर्ड. उसको लेस वेट कैरी करना पड़ा, तो इट विल स्पीड अप. सो लेस द आंसर इज स्लो डाउन. ये स्पीड अप और ट्रक स्लो डाउन. Oops. B is the right answer. Question 47. On which car is there a resultant force? A car moving along a straight horizontal road at a constant speed पे कोई acceleration नहीं होती, and if there is not an acceleration, there is not a resultant force. B. A car moving around a bend at a constant speed. What he means is, एक बैंड, ये एक सर्कुलर ट्रैक है और गाड़ी ऐसे मूव कर रही है, राइट? गाड़ी मूव कर रही है अराउंड अ सर्कुलर बेंड, और गाड़ी इज rotating. And when a object is moving in a circular path, that means the object is experiencing centripetal force which is towards the middle. और जब गाड़ी अपनी डायरेक्शंस चेंज कर रही है, गाड़ी इज कॉन्स्टेंटली चेंजिंग डायरेक्शंस. वेलोसिटी की डायरेक्शन चेंज हो रही है. पहले वेलोसिटी की डायरेक्शन इस तरफ को थी, उसके बाद जब गाड़ी इधर आई तो इस तरफ को हो गई, right? So when the direction is changing, that means the velocity is changing, and when the velocity is changing, that means there is an acceleration, right? And when there is an acceleration, there is a resultant force. So a car moving around a bend at constant speed, that means there is a acceleration. अच्छा, मैं फिर से आपको एक बार समझा देता हूँ, just to sum it up. एक गाड़ी, when a car is constantly changing directions, if velocity is changing directions, if velocity is changing directions, that means the velocity is changing. And because of the Newton's second law, F is equals to ma. Again, if there is a change in acceleration, there is a change in force. So that means there is a resultant force. Oops. Acha, question 48. A satellite is orbiting the Earth in a circular orbit. Which two quantities are always in the same direction as each other? अच्छा, acceleration of the satellite and the displacement of the satellite. No, displacement is not in the same direction. Acceleration is towards the middle. Displacement is the tangent. अच्छा जी. B. The acceleration of the satellite and the velocity of the satellite. Acceleration velocity is perpendicular to the acceleration. So no. The resultant force on the satellite and the acceleration on the satellite. This is the right answer, which is C. Resultant force acts in the middle and acceleration acts towards the middle, towards the center. The resultant force on the satellite and the velocity on the satellite. No, resultant force acts towards the middle. Velocity is tangent to the point. Question 49. A satellite is in a circular orbit around the planet. Which statement is correct? A. Its acceleration is constant in direction but not in size. Not correct. B. Its acceleration is constant in size but not in direction. This is the right option. C. Its gravitational potential energy varies. No. अगर एक orbit में है चीज, it will have the same height, right? So no. Velocity is constant. Velocity constantly change होती है. So that's not the right answer either. B is the right answer. Its acceleration is constant, but in size, but not in direction. Question 50. The diagram shows a block of wood resting on a sloping board. Sloping. Acha, which arrow shows the direction of the gravitational force acting on the block? Gravitational force. Very simple question. It's downwards. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Allah Hafiz.